drink. Good job. Here, keep drinking, buddy. Apa yung dito yan tapon? Okay, come on, here. More. You done? Okay, here. You wanna have a treat? Here, sit. Sit. Good boy. Okay, wait. You want a treat? Let's see. Let's see. Say hi. Say hi. You wanna have a treat? Yummy. Al ka manin. Ha? Naubos mo na yung tubig mo, bro. Okay, one treat. Gentle, gentle. Alright. Then. Oops. Ayan. Napakainit, guys. Parang usok na naman yata yun. Yung na ano. Something like yeah, parang usok na naman yan dun sa nasusunog na bundok sa Manitoba or somewhere sa ano. Alright, here. Gentle. 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 Again. Ayun, may lamok sa mukha mo. Gentle. Ulit. Yummy. 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 Okay, gentle. Good boy. Just a tiny treats, guys. Just a try. Oh, what's wrong? Ah, you okay? Right here. Again. Yummy. Ooh. All right. How is it? How is it? Hey, gusto mong magtambay dito? All right. You can stay here for a little bit. But don't eat the grass, yo. Don't eat the grass, mister. Ah, there you go. Okay. Can play. Roll. Come on, roll. Roll. Ayan, empty na yung water bottle mo. Wala ka ng tubig. It's a very hot day again. Huh? Alright. Come on, roll. Roll. Ayan, may grass sa dila mo. May grass sa dila mo, mister. What do you think? Do you want to go home now? Do you want to go home now? Alright. Ay, nice here. Medyo, ano siya, may press. Medyo fresh air dito, Hank. Alright. Oh, yes. Do you wanna go back? Do you wanna go back there? Okay. There you go. Come on, let's go. No. Eat the grass, mister. Come on. I just gave you a treat. Here. You want another treat before we leave? Before we go home? Okay, here. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Nabitawan ko. Nabitawan ko. Okay, here. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Here. Alright, one more. Tiny one. Alright, that's the last one, okay? Do you want to go home now? Alright. There's a dog there. There's a dog over there. Come on, let's go, bud. Let's go. Empty na yung water bottle mo. Ayan, kailangan ng water, guys, pag lumalabas si Hank kasi mainit. Ako nga din, nauhaw na ako. Alright, let's go, buddy. Let's go, bud. Huh. Or do you want to stay more? Well, that's okay if you want to stay more. It's shady here. Yeah, pwede namang maglaro ka pa dito. Keep going. Yan, pangalawang punta na namin dito ngayon. Hindi ka na kami nagpupunta dun sa malayong trail kasi ang init, guys. Ang init. Maganda rin doon. Shady rin, pero yung pagpunta namin, yung way namin pagpunta at pag-uwi, mainit, kaya hindi ko na siya dinadala doon. Mahirap na. Pati rin ako. Kaka-allergy ako sa heat. Kaka-rashes ako. Oh, let's go, Hanky. Oh, gusto mo dyan? Gusto mo dito kasi malamig yung mga grass. But don't eat the grass, buddy. That's shady. Come on. Lalaro siya. Anong hinahanap mo dyan? Come on, let's go. Let's go there. It's much better there. It's clean. Come on. There you go. Nag-roll na siya. Alright. Good job. Good job. Look what I have. Look what I have. Hank, look what I have. There you go. Here, Hanky, look what I have. Do you want it? Come on. Sit, 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 sit. Good boy. Oopsie. Sorry. Can you get it? There you go. Good job. Good job, mister. Alright. Okay, we can move there if you want. It's nice and shady there on the other side. Come on, let's go, let's go. Come. Hala, ayaw niya. Ayaw niya umalis dito. Is it nice? Alright. Mas maganda naman dito sa doon sa mga puno kasi. Doon sa maraming puno. Sa maraming lamok. Too much mosquitoes. Come on, let's go. There you go. Come. Hala, ayaw niya. Gusto niya maglaro. Alright guys, thank you everyone for watching my video. Shout out to everyone and shout out to all. Thank you. Again, it's Hawaka, my channel. Much love. Alright, bye-bye. Until next time. Baboosh. Okay, say, Hank, say bye now. Hank, what are you doing there? What are you doing? Come on, let's go, buddy. Let's go. Let's go, Sago. Bye.